Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. My name is Alex, the founder of Eco-Family Adventures, where we take you on unforgettable journeys around the world. Our mission is to inspire families to explore, connect, and create lasting memories together. Join us as we uncover the best family-friendly destinations, share travel tips, and discover hidden gems that make every trip special. Eco-Family Adventures. Explore the world, one family trip at a time. Planning a vacation? Here are the top 5 travel tips to ensure a stress-free and enjoyable experience. Start by planning your itinerary. Research your destination, make a list of must-see attractions, and book your accommodations in advance. This helps you stay organized and avoid last-minute hassles. Pack smart. Make a checklist of essentials like clothing, toiletries, and travel documents. Don't forget to pack a small first aid kit and any necessary medications. Remember, less is more. Pack only what you need. Prioritize your health and safety. Stay hydrated, eat well, and get enough rest. Keep a copy of important documents like your passport and travel insurance. Always be aware of your surroundings and follow local guidelines. Keep all your travel documents organized in one place. Use a travel wallet to store your passport, tickets, and IDs. Make digital copies of important documents as a backup. Stick to your budget. Use travel apps to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Consider using public transportation and dining at local eateries to save money. Follow these tips, and you're sure to have a stress-free and memorable vacation. Bon voyage! Enjoyed these tips? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel advice and exciting content. And remember, if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest travel advice and content. Animation. A thumbs up icon appears on the screen, followed by a subscribe button. Both icons animate with a click sound effect. Happy travels and see you in the next video.